friends. Today I'm going to show you how to paint a mountain. What you're going to need is a mop brush, a palette knife, and a regular old painter's brush. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do is mix your colors. I've taken Prussian blue and titanium white and mixed a light blue and a dark blue. I've taken Van Dyke brown, Prussian blue, and a little bit of white and made this bluish brown color. And that's going to be it. So let's get started. You want to take the Van Dyke brown and you want to just kind of cut out a little roll of paint. Like that. So the first thing you want to do is decide where your mountain's going to be. So let's see. There it is. Right now you just want to mark in some color with your Van Dyke brown. So once I've marked everything out with my palette knife, I'm going to go in with a small round brush and I'm just going to go around the edges here and clean them up a little bit. Then you want to take your painter's brush and get some titanium white. And just go along the bottom. You might want to add just a little turpentine to it. Then you want to come up here and you want to just pull the mountains downward towards the white. So once all your mountains are marked out and you like the way they look and everything, go in here and get some of your light blue. Just get a little roll of paint on your palette knife there. So you take your palette knife with your little roll of paint and you want to just gently glaze across the canvas. Just like that. Now I'm going to take the darker blue and I'm going to go in on the other side and do the same thing. Just lightly graze across the canvas. Then I'm going to mix a little Van Dyke brown and black and a little bit of white, but you get like a dark gray color. Alright, so now that you have snow on your mountains, you want to take your mop brush and you want to go from the bottom and work your way up and kind of blend it just at the base here. Alright, so I'm going to continue to work on this painting on my own. Just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to paint mountains. I hope that was helpful to you. And if you liked the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time.